How to search by Google Lens on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to search by Google Lens on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you'd like to be able to search by Google Lens on your mobile device, stick around to watch till the end of the video and I'm going to show you how to do this. It's a new feature that's been available on desktop, and it's easy to do on desktop, but it's a little bit more tricky on your mobile device. So what I recommend is go to google.com.au and then ensure that you've got the desktop site button ticked. And once you're here, you can actually see the camera icon in the right hand side of the search bar, so tap on that one. Now this is where it starts to get a bit tricky, because it actually says drag an image here or upload a file. But if, like me, you tap on upload a file and it doesn't actually give the option to go and find a file. So a way around doing this, instead of uploading a file or dragging an image here, is if you go to Google and do a search for the image that you'd like to search by, maybe go YouTube logo, and then if I look at images, so if I want to do a Google Lens search on the YouTube logo, so I'm just going to long press on the first image here, and as you can see, one of the options is search image with Google Lens. So I'm just going to tap on that option, and it's now looking for results. And so it's just done a search, and as you can see, it's brought up some visual matches and it's giving you some information about what this image is for. And that's all it takes to search by Google Lens on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.